today we are going to test drive about ambient helicopter, and it's luxury. Now let's check it inside. Wow, this is very cool, but this is very rare. But of course, where is the other seat for sleep? But the tail is very too long, longer than snake. And look at his nose. It looks like nose like Santa Claus. So this is Ambi's helicopter, and put the small lander for parking boats and amphibious helicopters and amphibious planes. So we need to go to there, and there is an airplane. You can find it. What's your truth? No. But how to stand? Okay, have a nice day. Bye everyone.